Hi guys, today I want to show you my room tour. So, first, this is my door. This is my brother room, my brother toys, balloons, my closet, and my big brother bed, and little small bear, and another big brother. So, he have the One Piece one, the Angry Bird black, hot red, blue, white, and the yellow, and the Toy Story 3 bear. So, this is my picture. So I give you see. First is this. Second, third. A small the time. So, okay, this is my drawing. So this is a dog eating a bone, and a fashion fairy tale drawing. So, this is my bear. It's a queen size. So, this is an Angry Bird pig, bear, the Smurf, Puzzle, Patrick, dog, bear, Melody, Pink Panther, monkey, SpongeBob, Basil, Big, and Star, Rimakuma with Karatori, and a dog. So, this is my 2 chair and my dirty clothes basket, and here has my book, toys, thing. Okay, so tissue papers and my book. Then after I show you. So first, this is my Galaxy tab, and this is the aircon control. So if you see my aircon, this is my aircon. So I gave you see my book. So sorry about it. My lovely book is this. Second is this. Third is this. And this, and this. So the second one is this. This is my brother thing. Sorry about that. So I guess you see a thing. So this is teach you how to drawing. So I take the papers. So first, is this the robotic warrior, and this digital journey. See that? And here is animal survey 2, and here bird survey, and insect survey, transportation survey, diary necessary, fruit and flower, dinosaur, sorry. So that's all. And this is my, I decorated. So this is my picture. So this is my Hello Kitty elephant, and here is my drawing. So first, this is a bell, door, bedroom, kitchen, and the first floor, and a roof, some roof, and a car park, bird, cloud, and a tree. I write here my dream house. So the second one is this boy. So that the wear this costume. So the third one is this. Sofas, some table, then door and welcome. So and some clock pictures, and here is the shoe. So that's all. So this room tour is finished. So bye.